Place the robot vacuum upside down on a flat surface. Using a screwdriver, loosen the corner brush screw. Then remove the corner brush. Loosen the 4 screws that secure the cleaning head. Using 2 hands, remove the cleaning head module. Flip the module over and loosen the 2 screws that secure the corner brush module. Release the module. Locate the wire harness and disconnect the wire from the connector. Remove the corner brush from the new corner brush module. Install the wire harness to the connector. Position the corner brush module and tighten the 2 screws. Flip the module over and place it into the robot. Tighten the 4 screws. Reinstall the corner brush and tighten the screw.